What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Genie09 back at you again today. And once again, today's video is going to be a really cool video. You don't want to miss it because today I will be changing out lights on my Evo. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So I've been wanting to do this for a very long time now. I always wanted to change out the outside lighting on my Evo to aftermarket ones. So in today's video is sponsored by Diode Dynamics. So I've been doing my research and I looked up their company, and they really have really legit and high quality LED lights. Thank you, Diode Dynamics, for providing me with these lights. I'll be changing out today the brake lights, the side marker lights, and also the fog lights on the front. I won't be changing out the HIDs because I'm very happy with my stock ones already. They are outputting a very nice bright beam already, so I'm not changing that. But on today, I'm going to be showing you the comparison between the output of the stock OEM lighting from the Evos versus output lighting on the Diode Dynamic brand. I came across their company. I was looking some reviews and they have really great reviews. Just wanted to try their lights out. Make sure that you stay within this video because I'll be showing you the side-by-side comparison on the output of the lighting versus the stock. Okay, so let's open up the box, let's see what's inside, and let's get it installed. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, looks like we got some sunglasses. Let's check this out. Diode Dynamic shades. So, what do you guys think? So I'm guessing they provide you with these shades because these lights are gonna be so bright, you're gonna need them. They gave me a Diode Dynamic lanyard. Got some Diode Dynamic decal. Came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. So this one right here is the side marker lights. So I believe this one outputs about 92 lumens and it is amber in color. So I also forgot to mention that I'll be changing out also my license plate lights. So these are bright white, cool white for my license plate. So this one is for the brake lights. Oh, and they do offer a 3-year warranty. These are just plug and play, guys. Alright, so let's check out what's underneath here. Oh, I believe these are 6000K as well, and it is cool white in color. Right now, guys, what I have for my front is actually yellow fog lights, so I want to switch them up to this nice cool white 6000K output. So guys, I took off the bulbs on the fog lights and I'm now gonna install these Diode Dynamic lights. So guys, this is not good. Something just came up. These aren't gonna work. These are not gonna work. It's because the prongs on these, if you look, are really close together. I forgot that, guys, that I went and I upgraded to a JDM headlights. So these are meant for the stock OEM headlights. That's why the prongs are close together. That's why these are for the H11s. So when you upgrade to JDM, guys, you have the lights turn into 9006. So that's the problem with these. So these will not work. So that sucks. But don't you fret, guys. Don't you fret. Your boy got your back. Just like what I was saying before, that's why the reason this video got delayed was because of these lights. And I had to go and resend it back to Diode Dynamics and they sent me the right pair. Okay, guys, I waited for about a whole week, but I got them right now, guys. Here are the old ones and I finally got the right ones. So let me show you guys what I was talking about. The right ones, if you have the JDM headlights are the 9006 SLF white, but if you have the stock OEM lights, you will go with the H11s. It should just be a quick, easy plug and play, guys. So this is what I mean, guys, with having the JDM headlights. To have the fog lights work, you have to buy a separate fog light harness, which is right here. You can get this on eBay or Amazon for very cheap. I'll leave the link down below just in case you convert to JDM headlights and you want to do the fog lights upgrade. So there you have it, guys. It is now plugged right there. This by far is probably the easiest upgrade you can do to your car. Now let's go test it out and check out both of them. So now, guys, I'm gonna go change out the side marker lights. So these are what they look like right now. I'll do a before and after. So this is the before. So now let's go change them out right quick. So there's the bulb. Now let's change this out. I'm gonna be changing these bulbs out with the new Diode Dynamic bulbs right here. If you compare the two, like so. So there's the new side marker LED lights. Let's pop it back on. Guys, as you can see, it is a lot brighter than stock. So let me do a before and after comparison right now. Alright, cool. So now that we got that done, let's do the other side. And it should be the same. I won't video that part. And let's move on to the back and install those nighttime running lights for the tail lights. So this is going to be super easy to take out your tail lights. So if you don't know how to take them off, this will be a quick tutorial, guys. So all you need to do to take off your tail lights on the Evos are these two screws right here. So as you can see, I have the Evo 7 authentic tail lights. So I do have extra ones right there. They are in very good condition, no cracks, no chips. Hit me up if you're interested on a pair and I'll strike you a deal. After you do that, all you gotta do is pop it off right like that. That easy. So quick tip, use a microfiber towel so that you don't scratch up your body, and just lean your tail light against there. It should be fine. So these are the 921 XP50 whites, and they should be a lot brighter compared to the stock one. If you take out the stock one, compare it with the Diodes XP50, look at all that. You got 2, 4, 6, 8 360 LED lights, and you have a projectile right there. This compared to this, let's check out the difference and let's do a comparison. Plug and play, boom, and screw it back in. Since we replaced the nighttime running lights for the tail lights here, we might as well change out the actual brake light right here. So right there, so there's the stock ones. You can tell that's actually the brake light because it has two prongs right there. And we're gonna be changing it out to the 7443 XP white pair. So these are gonna look like this. It has a projector lamp right there. It has 3, 6, 9, 12 LEDs, 360, and you got 4 of them right there on the projector top. So compare that to that. Let's see the difference between the stock. Let's compare the newly changed Diode Dynamic lights with the stock ones. So you could already tell, guys, that the diodes are way brighter than the stock. Check out the diodes, and there's the stock. So let me show you guys what it looks like inside here with the stock ones. So there's your stock one right there, and there's your Diode Dynamic light. Holy crap, that thing is bright. Woo! Night and day difference, guys. The next comparison that I'm going to do with you guys is when I step on the brake, how the side lights illuminate, the diodes versus the stock side. So let's see the difference when I step on the brakes. So guys, that pretty much wraps up this whole episode. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the new LED upgrades. They are much brighter for sure. As you can see right there, the license plate lights illuminate really white, cool white color. You see my HID beam right there, they're already bright white. So those are actually stock HID beams, and if you turn on the fog light upgrade that we just installed, just adds more white on it. You can kind of see that the Diode Dynamics are a lot cooler white than actually the stock HIDs. So these are 6K guys, so they are illuminating pretty white. So which is the color I like. But overall, if you look at here, you can already see the difference with the license plate lights and the tail lamp upgrades. They are looking really brighter, and which is pretty awesome, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and definitely this is a great upgrade because especially here in Washington where it's getting really dark now outside, and I don't know if I'm going to be driving this much anyways, but if I do end up driving it at nighttime, I'll be more visible for sure. So let me turn this off before all my battery drains out, and actually let me turn it back on so I can get more light on this video. Once again guys, if you could kindly please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It will greatly help the channel a lot, and if you leave a comment down below, just say hi or whatnot, and just let me know what you guys think of this video and the upgrade. Yeah, it'll help the channel out as well too. And most especially guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can always be in tune of my build and more videos to come. So again, hit up the description below. I will have the link to where you can get these lights for your car. They are Diode Dynamics. Very cool, very reputable company that provides LED lights, that specialize on LED lights for your car. So thank you once again guys. I'll see you in the next video.